I'm going to smoke up a couple of New York strips today in the Masterbuilt Smoker. Now, smoking a steak gives that nice smoky flavor, obviously, but you don't get that nice charred crust, what they call the Maillard effect on the outside. I'm going to show you a whole new twist on how to do that today. Two New York strips, they weigh 1.5 pounds total. Going to season them with this J.M. Thomason Porterhouse steak rub. They've been sitting out in the kitchen for about 15-20 minutes. This Masterbuilt is set on 225 degrees. I'm using mesquite wood. Want to get both of our strips in here. Then we'll get a temp probe in one of them. Let's get the door shut. See our Masterbuilt there is running 224. These steaks are 130. We better get them out. So 129, 130. It's only been 35 minutes. Let me get this door open. Now you can finish these bad boys off in a cast iron skillet if you wanted, or even on a hot grill. But the folks at Grill Gun sent me out this little device. Oh yeah. There. Nice char on that side. Let me flip these bad boys over. Let's get this side going. There you have it. I didn't time it, but I would imagine it was about 30 seconds aside. We're going to let our steaks rest here. Yummy, those aren't looking good. About 10 minutes. Then we'll try one. 1/2 cup melted butter. Got about a tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1/8, a little less, teaspoon of cayenne. We've got almost a 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and I've got, let's see, 1/4 and 1/4 and 1/4, 3/4 of a teaspoon of oregano. This is 1/8 of a lemon. We have the zest. Now, I also want the juice from that lemon, so let me get it in there. Alrighty, let's get our parsley. In fact, it'll probably be easier if we just pick this cutting board up. So let's put this back down here. Get all that goodness in there, like so. Now this is very similar. I've done a Cowboy compound butter. Very, very similar, except here we melt the butter. We're going to use it as a dipping sauce instead of slicing it up. I've got some cracked black pepper here. Just to taste, whatever you think you like. I like a little pepper. And then here we've got Himalayan sea salt. Won't need a lot of that. And all I want to do now is just mix all this deliciousness up. And as soon as those steaks cool, we'll try our dipping butter, Cowboy Dippin Butter, and our steaks. Steaks resting here 10 minutes. You can see we're right at, what is that, 129.7. I think it's hard for me to read from this side. So they didn't change in temperature at all because that heat was quick. Let's have a cut right down the middle. See what she looks like. Nice pink center. You can use this as a dipping butter. I'm just going to sprinkle a little on there. Like so. Cut a slice here for the taste, maybe a couple. She's looking nice, juicy in the center. I hope you can see the juice there in the video. That steak is super, super juicy. Nice pink center. The moment I've been waiting for. Just a little extra butter. Oh yeah. That steak, so full of flavor. And what I like about this Cowboy butter is you put just that, that pinch of the lemon in there. It really brightens that butter sauce up. Steak is juicy, cooked perfectly, seasoned perfectly. And I got to tell you, I love the char our grill gun put on there. Thanks so much for watching.